Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Realme C55. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store, find app called Notify Buddy, install it, then when it's ready you can hit the open, move to the next step and grant three different permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm gonna leave it as it is, so let's proceed. From now you can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: user, system, active, and the settings. In user you can enable any apps and allow them to receive custom LED lamp notifications. In system there's all system bound apps and you can do the same. In active you can find all apps that you just activated, and in the settings you can customize your LED lamp with different size, shape or placement on the screen. Now click on the test button and you can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.